Good morning. It's day one of the wonderful Southeastern Overland Camping event. Very excited. The sun is coming up over the mountains, hills, what do you want to call it? I'm going to call it mountains. It's gorgeous. So even though I've got essentially an old penitentiary in the background, it's a really interesting place. A lot of really cool things. Got to start check it out yesterday as I pulled in and got set up. But today the public is coming, so we got to get ready. Let's go take a little morning walk and say hi to some people. Nothing says good morning like looking at razor wire.
Right. Of course you can.
It's breakfast
You want me to
time.
move anything?
Look what she's making. Bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Wait, and biscuits?
And sausage biscuits. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
It's breakfast time. Okay, here's more breakfast. What are we eating? Ooh.
Tenderized country ham.
Here we go.
Bang.
Yum.
Yum. Okay.
Bang. Breakfast of champions.
I like this. Carnivores are us.
Yes. Yes.
All right, you guys, good morning.
Hey, good morning.
All right, how was your first night?
Oh, we slept like a rock. Not bad. The tent's kind of new, super comfortable. Real happy with that.
Okay, it's time for the raffle. They're gonna do the raffle. We're gonna do raffle tonight and tomorrow. That's where we get raffle prizes. And I think there's a bluegrass band tonight too. So let's go see what everybody wants to win. Guys, wait, what do you want? What do you want to win? What do you guys want to win?
I don't even know what
I think there's tires.
I don't even know what they are.
Tires would be good. Okay, what do you guys want to win?
Anything. I just want to be a winner.
495-657.
Who won? Who won? Who won? It's always the banjo. It's always the banjo. She won! She won! Look at this! Yay! Oh my gosh! Okay, so the winners were awesome. They won lots of really cool gifts, and now they're playing bluegrass music, which is fun. And then we're gonna go walk around and just hang out with some friends. So it's been a great first day here, and can't wait for tomorrow. Whew, it's a big day already, so let's go see our friends and enjoy the night. Good morning. It is day 2, gorgeous day, of the Southeast Overland Camping event. I gotta tell you, we did a lot of camping. There's a lot of campers here, a lot more campers here. A lot more people showed up, and it's gonna be a little of a, I call it a little chilly day, which is good because it's perfect time. Gonna have some overcast clouds. It's supposed to get a big storm tomorrow, so we're all gonna get prepared for that. But anyways, we had such a fun night last night. Campfire with friends, walking around meeting new people, bluegrass music. It was just a blast. So today we're gonna go check out more vendors, go to some more workshops, meet some more people who are gonna do some trails, and also meet the cute dogs. There's so many cute dogs here. All right, let's go have a great day. All right, we're gonna go talk to some of the vendors and some of the people and get the reactions to things that they're selling here today.
Okay, so camp kitchen organizer. So
I started seeing other people sell camp kitchen organizers. I was using like little plastic containers in the rack on my truck. So I said, let's build our own, and went through several different iterations, like the Velcro attach. It's like, I like bringing stuff to the table without dragging the whole bag. I didn't want to be leaning over my cooktop, trying to get seasonings, getting my shirt all messed up, so we put seasonings here. So this is my bag. It just basically includes things that I use. My long tools, my tongs and can opener and stuff are in the bottom. My knives are usually in knife sheaths. So we have a couple of sheaths inside. We use this kind of C-hook so you can hang it various different places. I hang mine from here. You can hang it from the high end if you would like. And then it just folds very compactly, and I store it in the Bronco now instead of the truck because I have a little less space, and that's a camp kitchen organizer. So just whatever you think you need out by camp, you can put whatever items you need in there and outfit it the way you want it.
Okay, who needs a knife? Everybody needs a knife.
Howdy guys, my name is Carson and I'm with Armored Faith Blade Works. I do custom monosteel and Damascus blades for outdoor everyday carry and for culinary purposes. We're here at the Southeast Overland event, having some fun times camping, showing off my new blade design. I've got an overland-centric style travel culinary blade. It's a nice small kitchen knife that you can take and you can still do your rocking functions, but it's nice and small and easy to carry. We've got tons of other blades. We've got everyday carry blades, blades like this. We've got blades bigger. We've got really awesome custom Damascus blades, super fancy. I do everything from the small stuff to the big stuff. If you see something you like, reach out, ask me. I can probably make it. If you want to see more, we have a YouTube channel, Armored Faith Blade Works. We're doing currently a 23.5-inch long Viking broadsword. Stick around, watch it, we'll have fun. Thanks for watching.
All right, this is 3 Alarm Overland. They have awesome spices and stuff. All right, tell me all about this.
All right, I'm Wes Henry. I'm part co-owner of 3 Alarm Overland, and you can find us at 3alarmoverland.com. We are a jerky, meat stick, coffee, and freeze-dried candy company. We only use the highest quality. So we use brisket and actually bacon. We use bacon jerky. So we have bacon jerky. We do anything from Carolina Reaper all the way down to like a barbecue. So we can fit all the flavors that anybody would, have in their palate. Our seasonings, we have a smash burger seasoning. It's great on anything that's red meat or a vegetable. We love it on the vegetables. And then we have our Cajun, and our Cajun is a awesome blend. Our blend can be put on anything. I put it on pizza, popcorn, cottage cheese. It's great on chicken. We can even use it if you want to as a rub. You can use it on a rub for like pork ribs or something like that. It's a really fantastic mixture and everything. Our coffee, is a high test coffee because, we're from the fire service and, we're up most of the nights and stuff like that. So we have to have a really stout coffee for us. So, but yeah, check us out, 3alarmoverland.com, and thanks for stopping by.
Hey, Brad DeRue. I run a small channel called the Overland Derues on YouTube. My rig is behind me. It's a stock 2021 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. Couple upgrades just to get us through the trails, but we're here representing the Sunshine State Adventure Company and kind of spreading the good word about the Florida Adventure Trail and the Southern Florida Adventure Trail, as well as the Panhandle Adventure Trail, all the way through the state of Florida. It's a good split between off-road and paved, and it's just an awesome way to explore Florida in an off-road, overlandy type way.
Okay, and I heard about these guys, really, really cool, at Save, at the last event. So you've got to try this trail system. I'm going to try it out next year. I think these guys have convinced me. What do you think?
I think you'll love it.
Okay, we're going to go check out ROA Off-Road. This is really cool.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Randy here at ROA Off-Road, RVsofAmerica.com, and we are out here in Tennessee. It's a little windy. The weather is beautiful, though, nice and mild. I brought out a couple campers here today to show everybody. Over here on the right, we have the MDC Fort 9. Weighs about 3,000 pounds. Yes, you can pull it with your Jeep or your Tacoma. It's a pop-up, has an outdoor shower on the other side. Up here on the top, you have a 270 awning with an annex room, a floor, and a skirt. Absolutely amazing. Back over here to the left, we have the BRS Off-Road Sherpa. It's also a tier trop with some amazing huge doors that open up. You got a galley in the back, independent suspension, Cruise Master DO 45. Hitches in the front. Over here we have the brand new 2026 MDC XT12HR Off-Grid Extreme. This is so off-grid extreme, you can run the air conditioner, the Truma Avanti, off of the 400 amp hour batteries from Renogy Rego in there. Outdoor kitchen, you have a wet bath that's bigger than nothing else out there, and an indoor kitchen with the rear window queen size bed, as well as a table that's inside there. So if you're looking to get off-road or get off-grid, come and see us at ROA Off-Road, RVsAmerica.com. My name's Randy, my sales coach is Thomas, standing over there, and this is my super awesome tech, Josh, and he's not drinking a beer, that is a root beer. Enjoy the adventures.
So these guys are awesome, and I want to know which one of these you like the best. Oh yeah, they're very humble too.
Yes, we are.
Hey, I'm Jammer here with Site 7 Campers. We build out fully custom camper vans. So if you want to take a look inside this one, this is our newest model, Poplar. It's kind of got all the bells and whistles in it, anything you could ever want. And it's meant to sit 5 and sleep 5.
All right, so this is the new IM 2.5 lineup from Ironman 4x4. So these are new as of last month. What you've got is you have a 2.5-inch monotube shock. It's going to have a 57 millimeter billet aluminum piston on it. It's got Knox seals, Fuchs oil, which are high-end components inside. It is a rebuildable, revalvable shock. Right now it's available, I think, for 5 different vehicles as of right now. There's more on the way, but we've got the 5th Gen 4Runner, GX460, the F-150, 80 Series Land Cruiser, and I think 1 or 2 more that's available right now, but we've got a lot more on the way. But it also shows the new black spring options. So Ironman's always had the green springs, that's kind of the color for Ironman, but we now have the availability of black springs for those that wanted to match the vehicle a little bit better. But amazing performing shock. It is going to be kind of slots in right between the Nitro and the Foam Cell Pro. But from a price point, it's something that we think really punches above its weight class. So rides extremely well, performs well, but I think it's really good looking too. So you'll see a lot more IM 2.5 on the horizon from Ironman.
I'm Christy Cochran with North Alabama Trails and Recreation. We are putting on a Rocks and Rigs event at Cherokee Rock Village in Leesburg, Alabama on May 2nd and 3rd. And we're going to have overland rig competition. We will have rock climber demonstrations as well as RC rock climber competition as well. We'll have some live music, so y'all come out May 2nd and 3rd to Cherokee Rock Village, camp out with us, hang out, and have a good time.
Ryan here with Rustic Mountain and Hess Products at Brushy Mountain State Penitentiary. We're just showing off the foamy mattress and the sleep products, all from Hess Systems. This is all assembled in the U.S. Great product for sleep systems, basically because sleep doesn't have to suck. When you're camping and you're off-road, overlanding, whatever the situation is, a good night's sleep can be paramount to what you're doing on that adventure. So we designed some awesome sleep products that are meant to give you that residential feel, even out in the field and on the road. So everything from packable pillows to packable mattresses and a complete sleep system with blankets, duvets, sheets. It's all top quality product.
Okay, it's been a really fun day. We're gonna go have some dinner with friends and hang out for the night and call it a night. It's just been a really, really busy day, but I'm so glad you guys got to come along with me and see all the things about the Southeastern Overland Camping event. They're gonna come do it again next year. I hope you guys can come because I know I wanna come again next year. So anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below. I wanna know if this looks like an event that you would like to attend, and maybe we can put together a whole adventure crew alley and all camp together. Wouldn't it be fun? I love that idea. So until next time, just remember, every day's an adventure. Okay, so we're walking back. Where were we?
The distillery.
The distillery. Okay, did you get anything?
No.
He did not get anything. What did
We got 3 bottles.
3 bottles. What did we taste? What'd you like?
Oh, let's see. Oh, the cinnamon, the brimstone.
Brimstone. Oh, I like the butterscotch.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
We got 3 bottles of brimstone.
We're gonna go. We're gonna do a little tasting of our own now.
Peace.
This might be the only shower scene y'all ever get out of me. So there you go.